Hi, in this video, I will show you common Stata settings first and then how to import an Excel file into Stata. Before importing an Excel file, we need some basic settings to make our analysis easy and smooth. I always suggest starting any analysis with the following command. Alright, once you type to edit, do file editor pops up. And this editor allows you to create, edit, and save your work. So hereafter, I will use this editor for our analysis and demonstration. Now, let's start with clear all. This command clears all data memories, so we could make a fresh start. Not necessary, but highly recommend if you have multiple projects. Next, put set Excel XLSX large file on. This command allows you to import any size of Excel file. When you import large Excel file, sometimes you will see file too big. With this command, you have no issues with the size of Excel file. Next, I will use send more of permanent. This command tells Stata not to post or display more command output and result. It helps you to see all results without pause. Next, CLS. Clear the Stata window. Okay, so to sum up, use the edit, open your editor, start with these 4 lines. Okay, here, execute, you will start here. Okay, you will see this screen. Again, execute, again, drag, execute. Easy, right? Alright, so this is the basic setting. I will put / basic setting. Okay, then I will show you like this. Or we do not need this one. Okay, this is the basic setting. Now, let's talking about the change working directory. You could change your working directory with cd command or here, changing working directory, right? But once we import our Excel file, we could get our directory as well. So not necessarily, and here we will import the Excel file now. Okay? For our analysis and demonstration, we will use several Excel files and data. We first use airline data. So here, click File, Import Excel spread, browse. So here, clicking your folder, you will find airline Excel file. Okay, open it. Now you must click import first row as variable names. Okay. Okay. Easy, right? Again, don't forget to click import first row as variable names. We will import our file from our working directory. We good? One more step. Drag this file like this. Ctrl C. Go back to your editor. Ctrl V. Now, here we go. So, drag again. Execute, you automatically import your Excel file. Sounds good? Alright, you can browse your data. Enter. Here we go. This is your data. Next time, we will discuss how to encode this airline data. Thanks for watching.